Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of how to use Patriot Payroll. So let's get started. Patriot Payroll is a simple, affordable payroll tool made for small businesses. It helps you calculate wages, taxes, and payments all in one place. The interface is clean, easy to understand, and built for quick payroll runs. Everything feels smooth, automated, and beginner-friendly. The best part is how easy the payroll process is. You enter employee hours, review the summary, and submit, all from one dashboard. This is great because it saves time and reduces errors. Another strong advantage is the automated tax calculations. The system handles federal, state, and local taxes automatically, which is amazing for compliance. No manual math, no stress. Direct deposit support is another huge benefit. Payments go out fast, securely, and employees can access their pay stubs instantly. This is great for record keeping. Patriot also offers an employee self-service portal. The best part is, employees can view their pay stubs, W-2s, and tax details without asking HR. You also get detailed payroll reports. This helps you track earnings, deductions, and tax summaries with ease. And finally, the integration with accounting tools like QuickBooks makes bookkeeping smoother. This is great because it keeps your financial data synced and accurate. One limitation is that you must upgrade if you want full tax filing services, which may increase costs. Another drawback is that while the system is easy to use, the design is quite simple, so it may feel limited for businesses with advanced needs. Some users may also find that the reporting tools are not as customizable as high-end payroll systems. And of course, you need a paid plan to access all features, which may not suit very tight budgets. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.